Algorithm. 1. Input score 1. 2. Input score 2. 3. If score 1 equals score 2, then display message both the winners get 2000 rupees each. 4. If score 1 is greater than score 2, then display message first winner gets 1800 rupees, 2. 2800 rupees, and the other gets 1200 rupees. 5. Else display message first winner gets 1200 rupees, and the other gets 1800 rupees to 2800 rupees. Note: sign means greater than, similarly, less than, and equal to. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to signs are there, which you can use as shortcuts for comparing two values. Now, how the display box has been used in this flowchart to display message on screen to the user. Performing tasks repeatedly. We have seen that algorithms are sequential. The statements in them execute from top to bottom. What if you have to execute a statement more than once? For example, to display your name 100 times, would you write 100 times? No, there must be some way. To execute a statement more than once repeatedly is called looping. In an algorithm, we implement a loop using while and while block. Let us have a look at the algorithm to display a name, Raman, 100 times. Note how the two statements in line 3 and 4 are enclosed inside the block, beginning with while and ending with and while. Also, notice the condition x less than 100 with while in line 2. This means as long as this condition is satisfied, line 3 and 4 will keep executing. After each execution, the condition in line 2 is checked. These executions will stop when the condition in line 2 is not satisfied. Notice line 4. It is increasing the value of x by 1 every time the loop executes. For the first time, x is 0, see line 1. In line 2, condition becomes 0 smaller than 100, which is true, so line 3 will execute and display Raman for once. Then line 4 will execute to increase x to 1. Next, again the condition in line 2 will be checked as 1 smaller than 100. Still true, so lines 3 and 4 will execute again. This will happen till the value of x is 99. For value of x from 0 to 99, the name Raman is displayed 100 times. Here, variable x is working as loop counter, which is used to count from 0 to 100. The flowchart is given here. Notice the thick red line and the no branch are making the loop here. Quick refresh. Algorithm and flowchart are tools to design the logic for computer programs. Algorithm is a set of steps arranged in a logical sequence to get the desired output. Flowcharts are the pictorial and graphical representation of an algorithm. A flowchart is composed of different shapes called symbols or boxes that signify different types of actions. The direction of flow of a flowchart is either from top to down or left to right. Tech vocab. Algorithm. A set of steps arranged in a logical sequence to get the desired output. Flowchart. Pictorial representation of an algorithm. Valuable. A symbol or name that identifies the data in an algorithm and flowchart. Looping. Executing statements repeatedly based on some conditions. Loop. A block that contains the statements to execute repeatedly. Condition. An expression to compare values in an algorithm. If. A way to make decision in an algorithm. While and while. A loop block.